It's very, very simple to take a look at your hair and see it because you will physically see splits. You can see that it's split multiple times now. This is one of the worst splits ever. Split twice here, another time here, another time here, and actually several times in here. So this is a very, very, very bad split end. You can even see in there, it's actually split in the middle of a split. Okay, smooth. Now you can see the entire hair is sealed shut. All 7 or 8 or however many splits there were, they're all sealed now completely. You can see a close-up of all these splits here. You can see the white beads in here, the transparency, all the breakage that's happened in there. Anywhere that you have a split, like I said, it's going to travel all the way up the strand and continue to break. As well, you're going to take a look at your strand of hair and you can see where your hair is going to break off. Once you have a broken end, that is going to become a split no matter what. We can do that test here as well. See, look at that. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this one. I want you to be able to see it. I think you can see it. I want this actually to be one of the demo hairs. I'm gonna pull it out. Oh, see, and I tried to pull it out and literally the damaged end just broke off. So that is what's happening to your hair all the time. I pulled it, trying to pull it out of here. This is split now 3 times in there.